برطانیہ سے ماجد خان کی رپورٹ کے مطابق بیڈفورڈ سے برطانیہ کی حکومت نے اپنے ملک میں آج ڈاکخانہ کے ملازمین کو ہڑتال کرنے پر مجبور کر دیا۔ تفصیلات کے مطابق اس وقت پورے برطانیہ میں تنخواہیں نہ ملنے پر ہڑتال جاری ہے۔ مزید جانتے ہیں وہاں پر موجود ہمارے بیورو چیف ماجد خان کی اس رپورٹ میں۔ جی ماجد خان، کیا اپڈیٹ ہے، ذرا آگاہ کیجیے گا۔
Hello, this is Majid from Surreyam International News HD. We are live in Bedford. This is breaking news. I am here with Mr. Neil, who is the branch depot manager here. Over to you, Mr. Neil. What do you have to say regarding the official strike for Royal Mail, please?
Yeah, good morning. We're actually here in some considerable numbers yet again in Bedford. This is we're in the middle of a series of strikes over our pay and our conditions, mostly because Royal Mail want to impose unagreed change on the workforce. There's an element of compulsory Sunday working, later starts, and also they want to attack the service, the 6-day service, which is Monday to Saturday delivering letters to every house in the country. We've seriously got to defend that. It's for the benefit of the public as well as ourselves. There is a lot of misconception that it's about pay. We've had an imposed 2% paid on us, and there is talks about more, but my colleagues here, and we're all CW members, would gladly forfeit any talks about the pay if we could resolve this issue and get back round the table and seriously talk about change and help the company develop into the company that we all know and love they are.
Yep, thank you, Mr. Neil. We are here in Bedford in the Royal Mail dispatch. As you can see, I'll just turn my camera.
Top turn out! 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 Top turn out!
This is Majid from Bedford, Surreyam International News. Thank you, bye-bye. A rail strike going on today again. The government are refusing for them to actually come forward and dispute a pay, and that's why these workers are here now. Again, as you can see, and it's not nice. So we just want to let the Conservative government know to